Have you ever tried adding Outlook to your Home Assistant only to realize it's nowhere to be found in the default integrations? You're not alone. My name's Kristen. I'm a software engineer with Pixel Bloom Consulting, where I help both individuals and businesses streamline operations and automate processes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple way to connect Outlook to your smart home setup, even if it's not listed. So let's get started to make your home even smarter. Home Assistant doesn't come with a default Outlook integration. To connect to Outlook, we will be using an add-on developed by Roger Selwyn. Since Home Assistant is an open source platform, many of the amazing features we enjoy are built by community developers who contribute their time and skills for free. If you find Roger Selwyn's add-on useful, I highly recommend showing your appreciation by buying him a coffee. To begin, click on the link for the O65 card. For your convenience, I'll include a direct link to this page in the video description. Following this link will allow you to set up the custom integration in your dashboard. The next thing we need to do is navigate to the Microsoft Azure portal and create a new app registration. If you don't see the app registrations, don't worry. Just use the search bar at the top of the page and type in app registrations. Once you're in the app registrations page, click on the new registration button. Now you'll need to give your app a name. This can be anything you like, but I recommend something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. Next, you're going to pick the supported account types. For a Home Assistant app, accounts in any organizational directory and personal Microsoft accounts is generally the best option. This choice allows maximum flexibility by supporting both business and personal accounts. Although the redirect URI is optional, I'm going to select Web as my platform, and then I'm going to use a comment redirect URI that is managed by Microsoft. I will add this link in the description. Click on the Register button at the bottom of the page. This will complete the app registration process. Now we need to add permissions. Click on the Add Permission button, select Microsoft Graph, then Delegated Permissions, then search for Calendar. I'm going to give permissions to read and write. Now, on the left menu, go to Certificates and Secrets. This is the section where you can create a client secret, which will be used to authenticate your app. Click New Client Secret, add a name under the description, and an expiration date for the key. The client secret will be generated and displayed on screen. After generating the client secret, make sure to copy the value immediately. This value is your actual client secret, and you won't be able to view it again once you navigate away from this page. To complete your app setup, you'll also need the application ID. Here you'll find the application ID displayed. Now open up Home Assistant. First, navigate to the settings in your Home Assistant dashboard. Go to the Add-ons section. If you don't already have the file editor installed, you'll need to add it. Once the file editor is installed and running, click on Open UI to access it. This will bring up the editor where you can make changes to your configuration files. In the file editor, open the YAML file where your Home Assistant configuration is stored. Here you'll need to add the client ID and the client secret key that you copied from your Microsoft app registration. After you save your changes, you need to restart Home Assistant for the changes to take effect. Go to Developer Tools and then find Click Restart under the Server Controls tab. Once Home Assistant has restarted, navigate to the integration screen from your configuration settings. You should now see a card for Office 365. Before using the integration, we need to authorize it. Go back to the Settings menu. You might see an error message regarding authorization. This is expected. Click on the provided link. This will open a new browser tab directing you to the Microsoft authorization page. Once there, copy the URL from the address bar. Return to Home Assistant and paste the copied URL into the URL field provided by the authorization prompt. Then click Submit. If everything is set up correctly, Home Assistant will now be authorized to use your Office 365 account, and you should see a success message and the integration will be fully functional. To confirm if this worked, go to Entities and search for Calendar, and there you'll see all your calendars associated with your Microsoft 365 account. And that's it. Now that you've added Outlook to your Home Assistant, you're one step closer to automating your day-to-day life even more. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tech tips and smart home ideas, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.